Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a dumpling fried rice lunchbox ahead of time. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1 green onion sliced thinly, 2 crab sticks cut into small pieces. You'll need half a carrot diced and set aside the other half for the fried rice. You'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, a few dashes of white pepper. Crack 1 egg into the mixture. Mix well. Then add half a teaspoon of cornstarch and combine all the ingredients well. Let's get ready to wrap our dumplings. Just add a small amount of filling inside the dumpling. Then add a small amount of water around the dumpling. To make this dumpling, all you need to do is fold and press until you get to the end of the dumpling. So if there's any extra ingredients, just remove it. And there you have it. If you can't fold dumplings this way, just fold them in half. It will work also. Now that we're done wrapping up the dumplings, let's get ready to fry them. On medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Place your dumplings onto the pan, making sure not to let them stick together. Then add in half a cup of water. Cover the pan with the lid and let it simmer until the water has fully evaporated. Just like this. Flip over the dumplings and let it sear on the top of the dumplings. This will give it a really nice texture. This process should only take 1 to 1.5 minutes to do, but try not to overcook the dumplings. Remove the dumplings from the pan and let it cool down before leaving it in the fridge for overnight. Let's make fried rice. The ingredients you'll need is 1 bowl of rice, half a carrot diced, 2 green onions thinly sliced. On high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Then add in your vegetables. And stir fry for 2 minutes. And then add in your rice. Then break down your rice with the spatula. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Once the rice has almost broken down, just push it to one side. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then crack in 1 egg. Scramble the eggs and then incorporate into the rice. Just like this. Now for the seasoning. Add in half a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Add in half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. And stir fry for 3 minutes. And place the fried rice into a bowl. So what I usually do is I leave this in the fridge for overnight and then microwave it and add it into the lunchbox the next day. This is the lunchbox that I packed my kids' lunch. I'll be using the bottom half. Microwave the rice for 2 minutes before adding into the bowl. Then place a piece of Roman lettuce as your divider. Heat up your dumplings in the microwave first for 1 minute before adding it to the lunch bowl. I usually add 8 dumplings to each lunch bowl. I usually add cupcake holders as a divider for the fruits and vegetables. I'll be adding cucumbers and grapes for their side dishes. And this is how I make my fried rice dumpling bento box for my kids. As you can see, this cute bento box comes with its own fork and spoons. To keep the food warm, I'd usually put it in a thermal bag just like this and then just add juice to it. This bag can keep the food warm for at least an hour or so. And I'll just add a water bottle to the side of the bag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.